Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the apps. Here we have to tap on special access and now let's find install unknown apps. And as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow the Chrome to install some content, simply tap on it and tap on this switcher right here. Now let's get back. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you will be able to install some content from the Chrome. Of course, the same situation will be with other apps. Just tap on the app you'd like to allow, tap on the switcher, and it also immediately changes. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, tap on the switcher again, and simply get back. As you can see, from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.